taking the Ryobi 18 volt 9-inch edger out of the box is a simple process. It comes in two pieces. Put it together, you want to make sure you get it right. It's got a little arrow on the front to show you where it goes, and an arrow on the front there to show you where it goes. Put this together, pull it down, take the lock nut, lock that into place. And you're ready to roll. All you need now is to go ahead and take the battery. Not using it. When you're using it, I recommend a 3 amp hour battery or higher. And remember that first cut of the year is going to be tough, and so you're going to go through a few batteries. So this is good for small to medium sized yards, and we'll be good to go. So we just plug this in. Safety glasses on, and we'll just give it a test run. Now we'll take it outside and give you a little demonstration. Who do I recommend this for? If you have a large area to actually do a lot of edging, you might want to look at paying a little extra money and getting the 40 volt Ryobi edger for bigger areas. This one will be my second use. The first use of the year, it did take me 2 3 amp hour batteries to actually do the initial edging. But this week I actually went back out and did it again and used 1 battery. So if this is going to be your first Ryobi tool, 18 volt tool, I would make sure that you buy a 3 amp hour battery or better. I'm an avid Ryobi 18 volt tool user. I have a lot of batteries, so I use those a lot. And this works well. After the first initial run, which took me over an hour to do, did it this morning, and it took me about 15 minutes to do the whole front. So we're just going to give it a little test run again and show you how it works. Works great, does a great job, and the big thing to remember is to clean it up after each use, and it'll last you for years. Thank you, and always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.